Chief Emmanuel Iwuanyanwu has been sworn into office as the new President General of the apex Igbo body Ohaneze Ndigbo worldwide. The function was performed in Enugu after a unanimous endorsement by the governors from the Ohaneze Ndigbo worldwide member state. Government House correspondent Valentine Mbadula filed in this report.
Governor Chukwuma Soludo of Anambra State, who spoke on behalf of the governors, said that the unity of Ndigbo is paramount in achieving sustainable peace, progress in the region, and also in achieving a national agenda. He said that the decision of the governors to endorse Chief Iwuanyanwu was on the basis of competence and his passion to the service of humanity and Ndigbo in particular. Chief Iwuanyanwu, in an acceptance speech, promised to do his best in protecting the interests of Ndigbo anywhere in the world. He thanked Ohaneze Ndigbo for the opportunity and called for the support of all the relevant stakeholders in achieving a common goal as a people.
I will do my best to reenact what he and others did, imagine the performance. I believe that from now, Igbo land will have the beginning of a new era.
The event attracted major stakeholders in Igbo land, including past governors, past President General of the apex Igbo body, traditional rulers, state presidents of Ohaneze Ndigbo, community leaders, political office holders, past and present, among others. The new President General will complete the tenure of the past President General of the body, late Chief George Obiozo, who died in active service. Taking oath of office by the new President General climaxed the event.